This is going to be the last update and video I'm going to do on this sound chip. But to bring everyone up to date, before we start, can you see what's wrong with this picture? Why am I not getting any sound from this motherboard? If you look at the picture, you've got your clever head on, realise what's going on. So I had a broken inductor which I've replaced. When I replaced the broken inductor, I got 5 volts to the sound chip, but I still got no sound. I ordered a new sound chip and I replaced that yesterday, and that's the replacement, but I still got no sound. And it wasn't until someone on Discord, a guy called Tidda on the Dewey Does Tech Discord channel, well, he came up with the answer. The answer is the audio header is missing the default jumpers. So to get sound out of the back of the motherboard, you need both of those jumpers on there. I believe from memory. I'll put a screenshot up. I'm going to put a screenshot up of the manual now. So you'll see that there's 2 jumpers. They must be the default jumper configuration to have the audio on the back of the motherboard. And if I plug them in, I'll go over, I've recorded it working properly on my mobile. We'll go over, I'll show you that now in a second. And that's why I got no sound. So I've replaced the inductor, which gives me 5 volts to the chip. So the original chip may have been working, I don't know. The second chip here is definitely working. So all in all, it's fixed, and I'm very happy, and I'm even more happy with the support I've gotten from the guys on Discord. So I'd like to thank, from the Electronics Repair School Discord server, Infinity25 and AZUK. And also I'd like to thank from the Dewey Does Tech Discord channel, Tidda, who pointed out that I was missing the jumpers on this audio header. And that's it, that's all fixed. So here's the video of it actually working. The audio is very slow. I believe it's a driver issue, because I think this chip is I think the codecs are software based. So the audio is working, but it's a bit slow. And I'm going to put that down to a software fault. So here's the video, and thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Okay, so I've got the speaker all connected up to the motherboard, and if I go over to audiocheck.net and come down to the welcome message, if I click this, I'll get
welcome to audiocheck.net. If you hear this message, your audio equipment and browser are well set. Enjoy your